It's Miss K from the library, and this is Achilles. If you haven't met him, he's an English bulldog, and he's kind of my sidekick. And so a lot of times that I do things, you'll see him with me. But today, we're going to make a video on how to help you learn how to do, yes, I see you. We're going to teach you how to do some things on the computer to teach you about the resources available for you in the library. Yes, I see you. You're beautiful, yes. Okay. The computers that we have in the library have a symbol that you can just click. It looks like this little blue diamond right here. And you can just click that and it'll take you straight to Atriuum. But if you're not on one of the school computers, you can get there two ways. One way is that you can go straight to the Media Center website. And that address is for you right here, SMMHSmediacenter.org. If you don't remember that, but you do know how to get to the main website, here's the main website. You can scroll down in the left-hand column to Media Center. You can click on that and it'll take you to the Media Center website. We'll always have this Atriuum link up. You can click on the Atriuum link and it'll take you right to the book lookup system. So when you get to the Atriuum site, it'll maybe from time to time have a different background on it because we may update that depending on the season or whatnot. But this will generally look the same. The message board will be over here and there will be some featured books over on this side. In any case, when you're wanting to do a search, you can do it in one of two places. You can do it right here in the center, or you can do it up here in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to do it in the center. So I'm going to look up a common classic title, the Huckleberry Finn series. And I'm going to say, I'm going to click on title. I could just push enter, but I'm going to go ahead and click on title. And I'm going to see everything that comes up with Huckleberry in the title. And so when I do that, I can see that word highlighted on every single one so that I know, it's confirming that I am finding what I'm looking for. Some of these entries actually have the Lexiles, so if that's something of interest to you, you can look for that, and some of them do provide that information. If you want to get actually more information than what is available for you here, you can click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and double click right here and I'm going to find some more information. And what I'm going to find first is a summary. It's going to tell me a little bit about the book, some of the subjects that may help me to identify if this is the right book that I'm looking for, if maybe I wasn't sure. And then there's some accelerated reader information down there that maybe some of the teachers might want. Probably not a whole lot of the teachers at our school, but it's there. If you want some of the details, maybe if you were doing a works cited page or a bibliography page, you might want some of these details. And then it also has the holdings that lets you know that we have one copy and that copy is in. So I'm going to click out of here. Now what I'd also like to show you, I'm going to push the back arrow, is let's say, well, it's not letting me. Let's say I just typed in, oh yes it is, okay, let's say I just typed in Huckleberry and I pushed enter, but I didn't push title. What you'll find now is that it gives me things that it's not in the title, but Huckleberry is somewhere in the book. And so you can see it gave me a few more. Now what I want you to notice on this part is that not only can we see from here, we can see what the call number is, so we can write it down and go look it up, but we can also see from this page that it is in, and it's at the main library. And you might be thinking, well duh, we only have one library. Well, it's letting you know not just that it's at our main library, but it's in the main section of the library. So it's not in a back closet where maybe the VCRs are, because sometimes when the teachers are looking things up, it may tell them that it's in a particular closet, or it may be at the reference desk. Or it may be, in a particular section of the library that's identified. Like, for example, if you scroll down, these ones right here tell you they are in, and they're in the reference section of the library. So you want to be, now, we just did a title search, but you can also do a search of, say you just want a subject search. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put dogs, say, and I'm going to look for subject. And when I do that, it's going to bring up anything and everything that has to do with dogs. And dog may be in the title, but it may just be, a subject in the book. And you'll just have to look at them to figure out, which one is the most applicable to your cause. So Once again, you can look over here, you can see some books. In this case, we have a VHS tape and another VHS tape. So there's a variety of sorts. Anyway, that's how you do that. It's not too difficult. So I hope you have an easy time looking up what you need to find, and happy searching.
Good boy.